Women have the same rights as men, and the Malagasy government should guarantee and respect their rights. Yet in many cases, women are still marginalised, and this is especially the case concerning access to property. A Malagasy expression says that women are perceived as fragile furniture, particularly in respect of land where boys are prioritised in relation to girls who are expected to leave and live in their husband's home. The wife only holds the 8th position in the line of inheritance.
Zaho tsy nandova tany tamin'ny neniko, tamin'ny babako, ary tsy nandova koa aho tamin'ny valiko. Zahay antsy manjefana tsy mandova tany ty ampela. Tsy manana tany aho zao.
When women struggle for recognition of their rights to land, they face financial problems. Widows and lone women live in precarious conditions, while men with greater economic power can use much greater means to win the case.
Ny zava-misy tamiko zany manana ny taratasy ara-dalàna rehetrarehetra nefa dia miady dia resy ihany. Ny tena zany tsy manam-bola dia ny lehilahy afaka hoe manome vola izy na manosy esi-bola izy dia afaka tsy maintsy maharesy foana izy satria ny anao taratasy ny anazy vola. Antsika vehivavy zany dia voan'ny tsindry azo lena foana satria amin'ny resa-bola. Izay mihitsy ny tena zavatra nitranga tamiko.
In addition to their work, women take on more household tasks than men. However, administrative procedures are often time-consuming and require several return visits, scheduled during the time women work or have to take care of their homes. They are therefore disadvantaged compared to men.
Zay aloha le fivezivezena fikarakarana aloha satria zay mpianakaviana marina mihitsy ny tenako sahirana na fikarakarana ny eto an-tokantrano na fikarakarana ny fivelomana kely.
Often, women simply do not have access to information about administrative and land procedures. Indeed, the mostly male administrative agents often marginalise women in search of this information. In addition, men have a very strong influence on women and intimidate them. As a result, women do not dare to have their rights recognised, facing a very masculine administration, which can put pressure on women for financial and even sexual corruption if they do not have the means to pay.
Zaho mba nanatany kelikely zay. Io mba nataoko ny aliako ty aiko. Ibako amizay raha iny nikarakara ho mba nanao ny honangalako taratasy tany io. Nandeha amin'ny fanjakana any. Nivola reo aho hoe mila jala raha toy. Lefa nanosinoso jala avao hoe mila sososko jala raha toy zay vao vita taratasy. Ka zaho mola tsy mananjala ka. Vatako zaho ampela raiky ty avao mamelo tena toy ka ety hananako jalahaloako amin'ny taratasy zao mola.
In some regions of Madagascar, women do not dare to challenge decisions made by men for fear of being socially ill-viewed. Indeed, the Malagasy expression says that women are perceived as chickens who sing if they dare to express themselves or give their point of view. Despite all these barriers, some women are showing great courage in gaining recognition of their rights.
Za na de vehivavy ara anaovan'ny olona tsindry azo lena de sa zany niditra an'le birao satria hitantsika moa fa fanaovana an'izany taratasy zany eraky ny birao de tsy mora zany. Ny tena vehivavy ny olona mandray anao amin'ny birao lehilahy. Fa tsy kivy zany fa nitanterahako hatramin'ny farany de voaka ara-dalàna moa zany le izy de azoko ny karatany.
Women, dare to defend your rights to land. The Transparency International Initiative Madagascar is fighting corruption, notably in the land sector, so that every citizen, and particularly women, can have their land rights recognised.